Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we will solve this question, and I hope so after watching this video you are able to solve all these kind of question. It's not difficult, just see how to solve these kind of question. The question is 7 into x plus 3 divided by 2 plus 5 into 2x negative 1 bracket close over 3. So this is question. And first of all, you have to see that here is 2 as a denominator and here is 3 as a denominator, and their LCM will be 6. So we have to make 6 over here, 6 over here for the addition of the numerators. So what to do when you have to make 6 over here? Equal to sign, 2 multiply with 3, it will be 6. But keep in mind that x plus 3 you also have to multiply with the same number 3 over here. Okay, now 5 into 2x negative 1, this 3 will have to make 6, then it multiply with 2. So keep in mind you have to multiply 2 with here over. So you can see that this will become 6 plus sign, this will become 6. Now multiply 3 with 7, it will be 21. Now x plus 3, now 2 multiply with this 5, it will be 10 into 2x negative 1. Okay, now after that 6 over here, 21 multiply with x, it will be 21x because here is 1 as a coefficient of x. So this is 21x plus multiply this 21 with 3 too. We also multiply with 3. It will be 63 plus this is now 10 twos are 20. Okay, 20x negative 10, this 10 will be multiplied with this, and this 10 will multiply with this 1. Okay, over 6. Now you can easily add them. It has a line 6, just write 21x plus 63, now plus 20x negative 10. So after that just simplify them, simplify those values, x values. Here if you see that this is 21x and this is 20x, it will be 41x. Now this is 63 plus and this is negative 10, so it will be plus 53. Okay, you can see that 63 negative 10 is 53 over 6. So this is your situation right now, and this is a situation right now. And if you see that if 41 is divisible on 6, it not divisible, and 63 is also not divisible. So our confirmed answer or simplified answer is this 53 over 6. So guys, this is the answer of this question, and in this way you can solve all these kind of questions and simplify these type of questions.